Hi, I had a subscriber request to do Highway to Hell in G. Not really a problem. I went and did a little bit of research. The first album is actually not tuned down a half step. It's tuned just a little flat for some reason. And some of the videos are tuned down a half step. But if you do it in G tuning, all you got to do is start one fret lower and do everything one fret lower than what I'm going to show you today. And some of my favorite recordings of ACDC are live at Donnelly, and in all those ones they tune to standard pitch, which is cool, and that's what I'm going to do this in, is standard pitch. So the main riff is 3 A's fret 2, and then this riff here, we're missing the lowest note, but we're making up for it by adding this high note here on 7. So we have 4 with the first finger and 7 on either outer string using a third finger and a little finger. So I'm going 4, 4, 5. A little pause there, and then it goes 4, 4, 5. Do that one time for you. So, does that as many times as is needed, and then before it goes to the chorus, when it's doing this part, on the last one, he hits a low E string, which we don't have, but we can sort of make up for it by doing a down up on E on the 9th fret, and then a build. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, so I'll demonstrate that. Now we're into the chorus, which is A. So I'm filling it in with some mutes there. I don't know if that's exactly right, but it feels close to me. And up here to D on the 7th fret. And then I'm doing, this is actually a G chord here. So it's D and G. You could go. And you might like that sound better, so you're free to do that. But that's how I kind of do it. I think it sounds a little bit better. And once again, if I need to fill it in, I just do it with my pick. And that's the 2 main parts of the song. The only other part of the song is when it's bringing in the solo. It has stopped on the D, as it does at the end of each chorus. And there's a little build up there. Those are called triplets. And they're actually very, very easy. What it is when you have a beat, you have down, up. So that's usually called 8th notes. So that's 2 8th notes. Well, what it is 3 8th notes in the space of 2. So before you get a headache, you just say the word triplet. Triplet. That's why they're called that. Because you have triple, 3, in the space of 2. So when you have a feel like that, and you'll find it in blues and all sorts of stuff everywhere, especially rock and roll, you just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Triplet, triplet. So it's like, so it's triplet, triplet, and then a hit. And then it does it a little longer. And then you're into the solo, which is the same as the chorus. Except now I really like to fill it in. I think that's what they're doing. So it's totally doable in G. Have a great day. Bye.